Hello everybody, my name is CIS300 Ganapati. Today I would like to cover the topic software basics. Every day we interact with software created by expert software development companies that helps us perform tasks and increases our efficiency. In this session, we shall be looking into software ownership rights, software licenses, and basic categories of software. So, as you can see in the picture, there are three categories: the hardware, system software, and application software. We have gone through some of the basics of the hardware, which include CPU, disks, mouse, printer, etc. Coming to the next layer, the system software consists of the operating system and some of the utilities associated with it. And on top of that, we have the application software, which includes but not limited to computer games, spreadsheets, word processor, etc. Desktop versus mobile software. Desktop apps can make full use of the cursor interactivity, the hovering text, or the cursor triggered animations. This allows the desktop apps to feature the entire screen of pictures with descriptive text appearing on hover. Mobile apps, on the other hand, must conserve the screen space everywhere they can due to the smaller screen size. But you cannot hover or roll over on mobile apps, but you have an infinite slate of gestures literally at your fingertips. The examples are swiping, shaking, poking brings a whole new set of opportunities to apps. Unlike desktop screens, mobile apps can switch between portrait and landscape view at will. Some more information about mobile software is displayed. So here is an image which shows the desktop view and the mobile app view. Moving on to installed versus cloud software. The installed software is also called as on-premise software. The fundamental difference between a cloud versus on-premise or installed software is where it resides. On-premise software is installed locally on your business computers and servers, whereas cloud software is hosted on the vendor server and accessed via a web browser. Installed software can be purchased in physical form or downloaded, whereas cloud software is accessed on demand from any device with an internet connection. The cloud software is also referred as software as a service, SaaS, or cloudware. Note the difference between the installed software and cloud software. Here, when we are comparing between the two mentioned types of software, installation or increased cost for additional equipment or infrastructure, whereas on-premise software needs a large initial cash outlay for equipment and replacement of outdated equipment. Nowadays, all the Microsoft Office applications are moving on to cloud, and it is provided as a service. Initially, it was as an installable exe which was provided. Again, here is an example of a operating system which can be downloaded. So the downloaded version will be into the buyer's computer. Mobile app builders. Mobile app development is the act or the process by which a mobile app is developed for mobile devices such as a personal digital assistant or mobile phones. These applications can be pre-installed on phones during manufacturing programs or manufacturing platforms. Mobile app development is becoming more critical these days for many businesses, with more than 3 billion people worldwide using smartphones, more than about 1.5 billion people using tablets as of 2020. Users on average spend 90% of their time using mobile phones as in mobile apps, and there are about 700 million apps downloaded from various application stores. Let us move on to some of the software commands. As you can see, the categories are menu, keyboard shortcuts, toolbar, ribbon. We shall be seeing all that in the picture coming above. So here you can see the file menu or the file tab. This contains the common document commands such as save, print, file, open, etc. Save as. The quick access toolbar contains the command buttons for frequently used commands, and it can be modified by the users. The tabs, the gallery panel where the display of a set of options that can be selected for a particular feature. This is the styles gallery. Here you can see the styles mentioned. You can sign in. The command buttons such as bold, italics, underline, paste, copy, format painter, and these are the different groups: the style group, the paragraph group, the font group, etc. As an assignment, I want you all to go through these items in a Microsoft Word document and type in some of the commands, inbuilt commands such as making a particular line bold, italic, underline, etc. and save it using the file menu. This is the Microsoft Office ribbon. We can also edit, delete and backspace, formatting a document. We can give a particular file name, a meaningful file name to a file, and store all the related files into a folder. So here you can see that we can create a new folder and all the related items are stored into this particular folder. Of course, there are basic editing commands like view, copy, paste, delete, create folders, etc. So, I guess that will be all for the content. Let us move to a quick quiz. When you change the content of a document, such as adding or deleting a text, what are you doing? Are you editing the document? Are you formatting the document or copying the document? The keyboard shortcut is the new tool available in recent version of Microsoft Office to issue commands. Is it true or false? The file management program in Windows 8 is blank. I hope you are ready with the answers. Let us see. So when we change the content of a document, we are actually editing the document. The keyboard shortcut is a new tool available in the recent version of Microsoft Office. This is false. And the file management program in Windows 8 is called a file explorer. So wrapping up, we have seen the different types of software, cloud software, what is a cloud software, what is an installed software, a mobile app, and finally, mobile app builder. That's all from my side. Thank you.